In my area, a lot of times the client will come to you with their problem, and it's not defined, it's just their problem. And in the creditors' rights area, that often is like a puzzle, and you figure out a way to solve that puzzle, and sometimes it's practical and sometimes it's legal. But I really enjoy figuring out that puzzle and coming up with the solution for the client that's best suited for that client. What we focus on in the creditors' rights area typically involves bankruptcy. It doesn't have to involve bankruptcy. Sometimes it can involve workouts outside of bankruptcy. Sometimes it can involve pre-bankruptcy planning when you have a client that knows one of the businesses it's connected to or deals with is going to file a bankruptcy. I would say there's no typical client in the creditors' rights area. I deal with banks, I deal with many businesses of various types, and bankruptcies are filed by any type of business that's in distress, and so any other entity connected or doing business with that debtor is potentially caught up in that bankruptcy. So I work with clients who are not in bankruptcy themselves, but who have someone they deal with that is filing in bankruptcy. I have kind of a broad spectrum practice. So the types of law I practice include creditors' rights, includes general business litigation, it includes insurance defense litigation, it includes dealing with construction, mechanics liens, garnishment for employers. There really is a lot of different areas that I work in. So when I'm not practicing law, a lot of time with the family, walks with wife and dog, movies, going out to eat. I grew up in Springfield, Missouri, and went to undergrad at Drury College there in Springfield. One of my dad's friends growing up was a lawyer, and I thought he was a pretty cool guy and was interested in what he did, and that kind of maybe formed the roots, and they just grew from there. What I'm very proud of at Foulston Siefkin is our reputation in the community, reputation with clients. Our client list is phenomenal. We get to do good work. I always say that we get to do big city work in an environment where it's great to raise a family. A client is dealing with a business or person, and they're worried or concerned that that business or person is going to file a bankruptcy. I would encourage them to call immediately. You do not have to wait till a bankruptcy is filed, and in fact, you may and probably will lose out on some opportunities you might have had before the bankruptcy if you do wait till the bankruptcy is filed. So as soon as a potential client hears about a possible bankruptcy filing, I would encourage them to call right away.